Good day everyone. My name is Joshua Daniel Lintag and this is my Arriba journey. And makita dito yung RE2 launch page. So click lang natin to. Then this is my BEC family. So ito yung introduction ng RE launch page ko. Ito yung BEC members at BEC family introduction, then the Latran mission and vision, then module 1 to 5 summary, then proceed tayo sa Silo 1, then ito yung Silo 1 summary ko, then Silo 1 prayer, playable video siya, then Laudare, then Benedicere, playable video siya ng mga na-interview ng group namin, single blessedness, priestly, married vocation, and religious life, then the BEC summary, tas certificate ng module 1, then predicare, reflection, then for the Silo 2 is yung summary ng Silo 2, video ng prayer, then yung Laudare, prayer din, then yung genogram, tas genogram sharing of our group, then copy ng community service ng Benedicere number 2, then the video planning na ginawa namin through online, tas certificate ng module 2, tas reflection ng module 2, then go to Silo 3 na. For the Laudare, dito yung family dinner namin, then yung Psalm 91 prayer, tas family video na kumakain, then yung documentation ng pagbebenta namin, then certificate and records ng ASL, receipts and narrative report, then ASL reflection, then certificate ng module 3, and sa dulo is ang self-reflection for module 3. Then for Silo 4 is yung video ng Laudare, love letter to God. Then sa Laudare naman, yung RE roleplay, ito yung script. Then ito naman yung video performance ng roleplay na to. Then sa predicare naman is yung certificate ng module 4, then self-reflection siya. So lastly, Silo 5 is prayer na naman, marriage reflection. Then Benedicere ng Filipino Catholic parenting. Then ito yung video niya to sum it all up. Then predicare ng module 5, certificate ng module 5, then reflection of module 5. So that's it.